Hello, my name is Amos Kwedu and I work as data analyst. Okay, so welcome to data analytics workshop. So in this workshop, the topic of this workshop is data analytics with Power BI. Right. So in this workshop, I'll be taking you through from basics of Power BI to advanced Power BI, right? How you can use Power BI, you can share data, you can collaborate, and all those things. Now, when you talk about Power BI is a product developed by Microsoft. Right? The purpose of Power BI, is to help you build an very interactive report and dashboard. So Power BI itself is a data visualization tool. We have a lot of data visualization tools. We have Tableau, we have a lot. You can even use Python for data visualization and all those things. But here we are focusing on Microsoft Power BI, right? And this product is very straightforward and is very easy to use. Okay. Now we have key features of Power BI, right? You can talk about data connectivity, right? So with Power BI, you can connect to various type of data source. Example as Excel, SQL Server, Azure, and all those things. If you have data on the internet, you can connect your Power BI to the data, right, on the web. Let's say Wikipedia. You wanted to, we have some data you wanted to work with, and the data is on Wikipedia. You can connect Power BI with it, and then it will extract or it will import the data into Power BI for you to work with. You can also talk about data transformation, right? So the data transformation, Power BI, the data, right? So Power BI has a function in it, which is the Power BI, which is the Power Query, right? The Power Query is like a kitchen whereby you prepare your food and all those things, you add your ingredients and all those things before you take the food to the dining hall. So here in the Power Query help you to transform, clean your data, load your data, all sort of things you wanted to do before you take it to the report view. Okay. Then we also have visualization. So Power BI will help you to create very interactive reports or dashboard, right, using the various charts. Then we also have DAX function, right? So the DAX function will help you to create a custom calculation and measures, right? You'll be doing this practical, so you'll get it. Then we also have collaboration, right? So the collaboration helps you to share report and dashboard with your colleagues, right? And also with your colleagues, it can also help you and your colleagues to also work on the same dashboard, on the same data at a go. Okay. Good. And we have components of Power BI. We have Power BI desktop. That's what we are coming to use. Yes. And then we have the Power BI service. Right. We also talk about Power BI service. So Power BI service, the Power BI desktop that's a desktop app, right? A desktop application, and it only works on Windows. And then we have the Power BI service. So the Power BI service is a cloud service for sharing, viewing, and also building interactive dashboard and reports. Then we have the Power BI mobile. So the Power BI mobile is help you to interact with your Power BI report and your dashboard on the go, right? And then we have the Power BI server, right? The Power BI server, report server. This one too is an on-premises report server that allow you to host your Power BI report on your own server, right? Yes. Okay. But we'll focus on the Power BI desktop, the Power BI service, and then the Power BI mobile. Okay.